Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I will have a limited edition box and this is from DERMA. Probably you know the brand. It comes often in boxes. It's a brand which use just natural ingredients as far I know. The box looks like this and the box actually is called Miss Ashley Diana Sprout's favorite box. So looks like this. I will leave actually I had the link for about a week or more in the description boxes for my last videos. I will leave the link also if it's still available. Before I forget, I want to mention there are a couple new boxes available right now, and I will leave the link. There are a couple advent calendars that just show up on the market. It's about the space and KK, whatever how you pronounce it. It's another one that comes from UK. Also, Glassy Box has a limited edition box which is called Amore Pacific. It's $35, but you can use a coupon. They give you a coupon for $5 off, and actually comes to 30. It's not bad, that box, because you have a wash, so probably I'm not pronouncing right the name. It's just with Korean products. You have a Laneige full size cleanser, I believe, and couple more items. So that one, I think it's a well worth it one. I will leave also the link down below, and whatever else I will find, I will leave the links in the description box. So in the meantime, let's see what this box has. It's quite big. This one wasn't expensive at all, probably around 30 or something like that, but I don't want to give you wrong information, so I will leave the price in the description box. So let's see what we get in here. It came pretty fast, in less than a week, I would say. Comes with this paper here. Some of them are samples. Here is the box inside, and we have the bill here, and probably I'll be able to tell you how much was this one. It doesn't say the price, just what's included in here. So first thing in here, it's a card. DERMA, thank you for your purchase. Hope you love DERMA products. Enjoy 10% off for your next purchase. So it's a coupon actually. Then we have the card for the box. And this we have a picture actually of Ashley Diana, which is this one, and says here, "Hi gorgeous, thank you so much for picking up my first ever Sprouts Fave box in collaboration with DERMA. In this box you'll find my favorite goodies that will leave you feeling happy and inspired. As you know, ethical, healthy and chic beauty is super important to me, which is why I know you'll love everything this box has to offer. I am so excited to see your pretty pictures, so please post and share and use the hashtags DERMA Miss Ashley Diana." So that's her message, and we have the products that are in the box. So let's go ahead and pick them one by one. And we have in here a sample. The first item actually, it's microdermabrasion scrub, citrus oil blend and Dead Sea salt. Is this one right here. Award-winning salon treatment alternative, buff skin, helping to diminish the appearance of line, wrinkles and acne scars. So it's the first product in here. Then we have another sample, which is hydrating day cream, hyaluronic acid and green tea. This one. About this one, I hope I'll find it. I don't see it here. I don't see it in the description of products. I'll leave it away, but so far it's a day cream. If I'll find the description, I will let you know. It's possible to be an added sample, because I don't see that on the products here on the picture. I don't see this one. So yeah, we'll see. Then we have this guy in here, and this one is actually, this is the full size of this one. Those two were just two samples. Probably I choose them, I don't know, I don't remember. Anyway, two samples, a day cream and a scrub. The scrub comes also in the full size. It's microdermabrasion scrub, citrus oil blend, and Dead Sea salt is this one, and this one comes with 2 ounce and expires in 2021. So a little information there, and here is the full size. So about this one, I just told you it's an award-winning product. Then we have some goodies in here, and we have 3 of those vibrant, healthy, plant-based superfood, most award-winning green vibrance, 25 billion probiotics, and those are actually different. Look what's inside, and probably they come with different flavors. This one is clinically formulated. Probably this one, the green one, is the original one. We have a chocolate coconut, and also we have a matcha tea. So about those, vibrant health, green vibrant superfood, 3 delicious flavors of the most nutrient rich superfood on the planet. Use the code blah 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 to get 20% off. So if you are interested in this, let me know and I'll leave the code down below. Anyway, this is the second product in here. Then we have another goodie in here. This one is Numi organic tea with turmeric tea and amber sun. Looks like this. It's one pack, and probably, no, actually I'm wrong, we have 2. The first one is turmeric amber sun, and the second one is turmeric 3 roots. So 2 small packets of tea in here. About this one, organic fair trade tea, sip to bring mental clarity, grounding, and centered spirit. I believe there is a code for almost all the products, at least for those the food products. Then we have another full size in here, and this is 100% vegan, soy-free, ecotical, cruelty-free. It's vitamin E, fragrance-free, therapeutic shea body lotion, which is this one, a good size. So the brand is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and all those good stuff. About the cream, which is vitamin E, fragrance-free, therapeutic shea body lotion, rich with vitamin E. It works to dramatically soften, smooth, and condition dry, rough, flaky skin. So a full-size body cream. Then we have in here another sample that is listed here. This one is turmeric from Aura Cacea, and I remember this brand. It came in used boxes, And this is essential oil blended with sweet almond skincare oil, protecting. And this one is dab on wrist, temples or back of neck to promote a sense of protection. Anyway, we'll see about that one. Then we have in here a lip balm made with organic cocoa and shea butter. Is this one another full size? About this one, this vegan lip balm will give your lips the moisture they have been thirsting for, and it's so delicious you will want to keep using more. So a full size lip balm. We have a deodorant in here, and this is the Nubian coconut and papaya 24-hour deodorant. Looks like this. And about this one, if I can find this one, this one is not listed. Yeah, anyway, let's see what else we have in here. We have from the same brand with this one, from Nubian coconut and papaya body wash is this one. And about this one, about the body wash created with natural, certified and fair trade ingredients such as coconut oil, papaya extract and organic shea butter. This tropical scented collection, it's an exotic vacation in a bottle. So it was this one, but I don't see this one listed in here. Then we have this guy, which is, it's a bag actually with the DERMA print. No information about this one. I usually use those bags to keep items by collection, by brand actually. And we have in here this tiny guy. I rather be vegan. A very cute one. And we have one more product in here, and this one is, it's a soap, Dead Sea Minerals Dead Sea Mud Soap with argan oil. Is this tiny guy right here. And about the soap, about this one, cleanse and revitalize, contains over 20 minerals. 12 of these are unique and not found anywhere else in the world. So is this guy, and this is all in this box. I don't think it was expensive for the price. I will leave the price in the description box. Being a cruelty-free brand and vegan and all those good stuff, it's good to try. I tried some of their skincare before and I like it. I didn't use it lately. So far you get the bag. You have this bar soap, a body wash, a deodorant, a full-size body cream, this scrub, and I believe this is a face scrub. Apply to clean wet skin and gently scrub desired areas in a circular motion for up to 1 minute. But it doesn't say it's for body. For less pressure is recommended for sensitive skin. Rinse with warm water. Apply twice a day. But it doesn't say what's this one for body, for whatever. What's this one? Skin, hair and body. We have some coupon codes in here. So yeah, I will go online and read more about this one because it's a facial. It doesn't say on the box, but when the packaging exfoliant facial. So is this one. Finally, we have a product for face. Although I saw the spoilers before when I bought the box, I was expecting to get more face products, but it seems like we got more body care. I'm not a fan of turmeric, but I will try those two to see how they are. We got those two samples. So finally we have actually two samples for face and the scrub in a full size. The rest of them are for body. So this was the DERMA limited edition box. Glowing skin, it's always in. It says here, if you use the DERMA products, the face, especially the face products, let me know if you like them. I used them a while ago, but not recently, so I cannot tell you much about. I'm glad it's a brand with natural ingredients. It's cruelty free also. So let me know what do you think about DERMA, if you try it before or not. I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to check always the description box for new beauty deals, new advent calendars. It seems like at the beginning of the month most of them are going to go out for sale. So we'll see what's coming. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.